Hey everyone, so in case you didn't know, I'm the social media manager for PMQ. And in our June-July issue, we focused on marketing to millennials and how to advertise to them. So today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect Facebook ad using the newest 2018 features. But before I show you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Now, let's get started. In order to advertise, first you need to create a Facebook page for your pizzeria. And you could do that by using your own personal Facebook page. And then once you do that and you set up your ad account, you go to the main page of your profile, click Create Ad. So there's different marketing objectives that you can do to drive more traffic to your business, and it just really depends on what your goal is. I really wouldn't use reach because that just reaches more people instead of people that are actually interested in your company. Today we're going to do traffic. So we want people to go to your website and learn more about your pizzeria. Set a campaign name. Let's say you have Wine Wednesday and you want people to come to your event, and I recommend really titling these so that you can continue using them and know exactly what it is. And also Facebook will guide you through it step by step if you've never created an ad before. So it's where do you want to drive your customers? Usually I would say website, or if you have an app for ordering, you could do the app. But today we're going to do website. Create the ad set name, Wine Wednesday. And one thing that I love about creating an ad on Facebook is you could do a custom audience based on your location and your customers and target the right people that you want. So, and you can also save your audience. That way you don't have to go through every single time and click the age group and the location. So custom audience will say this is PMQ Facebook tutorial audience. Oops. And the location, there's United States, but let's say you're a pizzeria in Chicago. You don't want to target just everyone in the United States because you don't want to target someone in New York or California. You want to target people that are around you so that they'll come to your pizzeria. And let's say what the radius is. I'm going to set it to 25 miles. And also the age group of your customers. Let's go with 20 to 55. And the age really depends on who you want to target, and especially the event. I think if you're doing a Wine Wednesday, that's going to target actually more women, but today we'll do all. But if you're doing an event that is, say, a band, and it seems like it will attract more young people, then you can do it at a different age of 20 to 35. Languages, we'll say English. And you can also do detailed targeting. Target certain customers that have an interest in pizza or your own company. Notice all of the different interests. I can even do food. But let's keep this one blank. And I suggest that because I think it will reach more people by not putting a demographic. You could do people who like your page. So not just the people that like your page. You want to get this to people that like your page and don't like your page. And save this audience. Audience name, PMQ's Facebook ad tutorial. And then you want to do your daily budget. If we're doing a Wine Wednesday, we'll do a daily and let's say $10. And we'll do this for next Tuesday, and then it's going to end Wednesday night at 9 o'clock p.m. And we'll start it at 6 o'clock a.m. Just make sure you have your dates right. Get back to May. And just do a double check. Make sure those are correct. See, mine keep not being correct. Next Tuesday, next Wednesday. Now that's correct. May 29th to May 30th. It tells you exactly the amount that you're going to spend. And you could go to advanced option and see what Facebook has to offer. If you want optimization for ad delivery, we want link clicks so that the ads get to the right people and get you the most link clicks from your ad to a destination. So next, you are going to be on the identity for the ad. It's the next category. And if you have an Instagram account, link that on your Facebook page, because then the ad will appear on Facebook and it'll also appear on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram account, I suggest creating one for your business. You get to choose on Facebook different formats. You could do a carousel, a video, slideshow, collection of photos. Maybe you could do a collection of pizzas to show your menu, and I'll get to the call of action in a second where you can actually get people to see your menu and click. That will take them to your website. But today we're going to do a single image. You could browse your library, free stock images. We can add more, but I'm just going to do the stock photo that I just uploaded. I used Getty.com and downloaded it. It's like a or a stock photo site. And I use this because there's no text, which Facebook recommends using no text because of the algorithm. You'll get your ad placed on a lot more pages and get a lot more views with no text. And I chose this one because they look happy, they're drinking wine, and that's also what the topic is for Wine Wednesday. And we're going to customize it for Instagram. Instagram is usually square. Oops. Usually it'll let me do this. Do original. And Instagram will automatically customize it for you. And you could do a little bit of text. Let's say, join us on Wednesday. And we're putting that because we set the ad on Tuesday. So we want it to be diverse. Join us on Wednesday for Wine Wednesday. And let's say it's 2-for-1 wines. So let's for 2-for-1 wines. Wine. Do a little exclamation point. I'm going to get rid of Wine Wednesday, and instead that's going to be the headline. Wine Wednesday. And then also put the website of your pizzeria. We'll do PMQ.com. So you could preview how it looks on mobile and desktop. Make sure you preview it because the image that you uploaded may not look good. You want to do a high resolution photo, and also, let's see, Wine Wednesday, Instead of learn more, you could do get offer, see menu, request time, send message, subscribe, sign up. It's really what action. You could read about it by hovering again the info. This is what you want your customers to do. You could do no button. But on Instagram and Messenger, it will use the learn more. And learn more, it'll just take you directly to pmq.com or your pizzerias. Do no overlay. Make sure you preview your URL. This is where it takes you to. Desktop feed, and then we can also see what it looks like on Instagram. And you'll know on Instagram now, you'll notice if you scroll through your feed which ads people create by seeing that it's sponsored. See how it looks on mobile. Wine Wednesday. Join us 2 for 1 wine. And I like this feature that there's a like button that gets you more followers to like your page. And that's very good. You want a lot of followers. It just is good for morale. And also, if you go to the desktop view, I do not like that this is very lengthy. I know that it's about PMQ, but if you go to advanced options, you can do a new description. And for the new description, I'm just going to keep it pretty short and sweet. If you're a pizzeria owner, just maybe put a little information about your pizzeria, how long you've been in business. And you could see, it says it on the side, gives you a little sample. Next, you're going to want to click review and just make sure, double check that all the information is correct, that you're targeting the right people. Chicago, we did 25 miles radius. Double check your budget. And your text, and then confirm. And when you confirm, that's actually sending it to Facebook, and they'll review it, and it takes a couple hours, and usually they will approve it, but ads that they won't approve are images that have too many text, or if it's a really low quality image, they'll actually turn it down, and you'll have to start all over. But that kind of rarely happens. Continue, and again, you'll see if you've never created an ad, it'll guide you through it. Go to your ads manager, and you could see Wine Wednesday event. It's in review, and once it gets approved by Facebook, you'll be able to see all of the results, and also all of your ads that you've created before are saved, and you can click them to turn back on. Because, for instance, if it's Wine Wednesday, if you want this ad to run 2 times out of the month every Wednesday, you could turn it on and schedule it to go on during those dates. So you don't have to keep creating new ads. And then you can also check the charts for your campaign, see what's been performing the best. The demographics will show you what age people that viewed your ad and clicked on it. And that'll help you for your next ad that you create, and you can maybe target and tighten up your targeting with your audience. You also see how much it costs and the impressions, how many people it reached. If you did not reach a lot of people for this ad, then you could just learn from it and kind of see and adjust and do something different for the next one. You can also create a new ad in your ads manager. So now that you know how to create your new Facebook ad, I'd like to invite you to learn more on how to market to millennials by downloading our digital edition in the link below. Thanks for watching.